Welcome guys, let's do Bitcoin technical analysis and let me please show you my next price target for the Bitcoin right now. So please watch this video until end and please subscribe my YouTube channel, join me on Telegram and Twitter. Links are in this video's description. And if you want to get $4,300 bonus of Freemax, Binance and Bybit exchanges, links are in this video's description. Just go to in this video's description where you can get these links. Click on these links and create your account, and after initial deposit you can get these bonuses. And friends, Freemax is giving $2,000 bonus which is absolutely free. This is limited time offer, just deposit and transfer stage. 11 days, here you can see 11 days, 4 hours and 9 minutes are remaining. You have to deposit, and after deposit you can get $2,000 bonus absolutely free. Let me please show you the charts. This is Bitcoin 1 hour chart, and here you can see Bitcoin is still in this ascending channel, and after hitting this zone, $47,260 Bitcoin price is bouncing back, and price is at $48,440. The next target for the Bitcoin is this zone, $49,000, $49,530. This is the horizontal resistance, you can say. Here you can see this is the horizontal resistance for the Bitcoin. And if I zoom this and if I show you, then you can see several touches. Here you can see and after touching this, Bitcoin price is bouncing back, and here you can see several touches towards upside, and here you can see. Now what is next? Bitcoin price have to bounce. Bitcoin price is bouncing back after hitting this level, and Bitcoin price can again hit $49,500 in very short time period. And I think Bitcoin price is going to do this. Why I am saying this, I will show you in my charts. And this is the horizontal resistance, $49,500 area, and after that this is the critical resistance, 50,500 is the crucial resistance for the Bitcoin. Once Bitcoin price break this, in that case Bitcoin price can hit $53,000 to $56,000. This area is very important. Sorry for that, and let me please remove this. And if you still not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon right now. Here if I zoom this, then you can see, here you can see this is a very good candle, and this is a candle of approximately $1,100 to $1,200 candle in just 1 hour, and this is very good sign for the Bitcoin. This is next resistance zone. Our tiny resistance zone is at $48,500, and once Bitcoin price break this area, in that case next target will be these are the targets: 48,600, 49,500 and 50,500. These are the targets. Let me please show you my next chart. This is Bitcoin 4 hourly the chart, and these white lines are support zone for the Bitcoin. And here you can see, let me please show you several touches. Let me please zoom this and let me please show you. Here you can see these are support zones, and this is a downtrend line, which is also a support line for the Bitcoin price, and this is upper trend line, which is also a resistance line for the Bitcoin price. And here you can see. Now what is next? The next zone is this area. If I zone this and if I show you, then Bitcoin price can easily hit this area. This area is the next zone, and it is at $49,500 according to this chart. Sorry for that. Again, sorry for that. Once Bitcoin price break this, in that case it can hit this area for $54,000 price area very soon. And the next resistance area is this area. These are resistances area, 49,500 and 50,500. These are the resistance areas for the Bitcoins. Bitcoin price may be move like this. Let me please show you. After hitting this, maybe Bitcoin price bounce back, and after that maybe Bitcoin price can move like this. This will be the possible scenario for the Bitcoin. And if unfortunately Bitcoin price rejected from that zone, in that case, the next zone is this zone. The next support zone is at $48,000 right now. This is the next support zone for the Bitcoin, and we have to watch it very, very carefully. This zone is very, very important. 49,500, 49,500. Once Bitcoin price break this, in that case, it can hit $50,500 very, very soon. And let me please show you my next chart. This is Bitcoin 1 hour chart. And if I pull this from top to bottom, and here you can see Bitcoin price is rejected from, is spotted from this zone, 0.61, and it is golden pocket of the Bitcoin. Here you can see, and after hitting this zone, price is bounced back, and now price is at $49,390. Next resistance zone according to the Fib retracement is 0.78, and it is at 48,800, and after that it can again hit 100 Fibonacci level, and it can hit $50,500 very, very soon, I think so. Let me please show you my next chart. This is Bitcoin daily chart, and here you can see Bitcoin is in this ascending channel, several touches. Let me please show you. Here you can see, and now Bitcoin price is bouncing back again, hitting this downtrend line, which is also a support zone for the Bitcoin price. And here you can see several touches. And now what is the next target for the Bitcoin? Let me please show you. Let me please zoom this, and let me please show you very, very clearly. Bitcoin price is at $48,450 in daily. This is daily chart, and next resistance area is this zone, 49,500 to 49,700. Once Bitcoin price break this, in that case price can move like this. And next target will be this zone, $56,000 to $57,000. And let me please show you one thing very, very important. Let me please show you, and sorry for that. If I clearly show you, here you can see Bitcoin price break this downtrend line, and Bitcoin is very, very bullish, and we are in uptrend right now, and Bitcoin is very bullish. Next target for the Bitcoin is the zone, I think $49,000, $49,500 is the zone where Bitcoin can face some sort of resistance, and after that 50,500 will be the target, and after that 51,000 is the next golden next target, and 56,000. These are the targets. And if I remove this, let me please remove all these things. Friends, if you still not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon right now. If I draw it from top to bottom, here you can see after hitting 0.38, Bitcoin price is again hitting this zone, and let me please show you. And next target is, according to daily, is $53,000, $53,500 is the next target. And if I draw this from top to bottom, and if I draw this, let me please draw this. Here you can see Bitcoin price is rejected from this zone, 0.61 golden pocket, 51,000, near about $51,000, and after that the next target will be $57,000. Here you can see, and next target will be this $65,000 price area. This is the major support zone, 0.5 Fibonacci level. Here you can see, and it is acting like a strong resistance, a strong support zone for the Bitcoin, and after hitting this area, price is bouncing back. Here you can see, and next support resistance zone is $51,000, 0.61 Fibonacci golden pocket, and after that next level is $57,000 price area. These are my targets. I hope you like this video. If you like this, then please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon right now. And remember one thing, this is not a financial advice. This is just my technical knowledge I am sharing with you. And if you want to get these bonuses, $2,000 bonus of Premix, this is the bonus, and only 11 days left. Link is in this video's comment section. Go to in this video's comment section where you can get pin message and these links. Click on these links and create your account, and after initial deposit you can get these bonuses. You can trade with these bonuses. My last words are that Bitcoin can face some sort of resistance is at 48,500, 49,500 and 50,500. These are the areas. Once Bitcoin price break this area, next targets are $51,000 and $57,000. Thanks for the watching.